Today's first look, we have a 1966 Ford Bronco Custom, lot number 1426. This has undergone a 2.5-year frame-off restoration completed in 2021. During the restoration, the body was separated from the frame. The inner fender wells were customized to accommodate the 5-liter Coyote engine. Open it up here real quick and show you just how clean a job they did in here. Aluminum radiator, keying in. It's done very clean underneath here, the entire truck. So it has the 5-liter Coyote tied to a 6R80 automatic transmission, upgraded differential in the front. It has the Dana 44 axles, header, exhaust with Flowmasters. This Bronco has a Duff Tuff 2.5-inch suspension lift, new shock springs and leaf springs, as well as it has a 2-inch body lift. Rides on 20-inch wheels with 35-inch tires on it. Bronco's finished in chalk gray, red interior. Did a nice job on the inside here with the console. They smoothed out the dash, put the coated digital gauges in it. JBL stereo, Bluetooth, done very, very nice. Power brakes, power steering, custom one-piece side glass, selling at no reserve at our Scottsdale 2022 auction, January 22nd through the 30th, where we're celebrating 50 years of the world's greatest collector car auctions, selling great Broncos like this. You want one of these? Get to Scottsdale. See you there.